informative presentation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce our next speaker, Mr. Mahendra Pawar. Mahendra Pawar is the director of 10 Zen Goals Design and Build Studio and an alumnus of the Sir J.J. College of Architecture, Mumbai. Mr. Pawar has worked on multitude of projects including transport-oriented development, railway station design, metro, MRT, and multimodal integration. Some of these projects are the MMRDA Line 7 and Line 2A stations, the new Thane station for Thane Municipal Corporation, and integrated master planning of Panvel station. Today, Mr. Pawar is going to talk about the design vision for station design, metro, and multimodal integration. So let's welcome Mr. Mahendra Pawar.
So my vision points which I wanted to share is basically the transit and the transit development station design. What are the basic criteria to design and how the station to be seen. So basically transit station and railway station, that metro station are two different ball games, like two different systems working, because railway stations are involved with long distance trains where the commuting time and the commuter time and the station times are different, and the metro station timings and the stay times are different. In metro stations, there are like lines like MRT and LRT. MRT is a metro rail transit for a little longer distance. LRT is a shorter distance for interchange. So currently, we are seeing a development happening around the places where MRT loops are being developed at various locations, and somewhere it is commercially viable, somewhere it is not commercially viable because the loops are not getting a proper commuting or ridership, enough ridership. So my point was to get starting this loop, connecting the loops and branching out the loop with high destination ridership, which can be increased so that the ridership of the stations can be increased and it will be profitable. Plus, before considering the design of metro stations, we have to consider the multimodal integration of the projects, how and where the stations are located, and how the planning and integration of the multimodal is done. Suppose if the most of the projects are station projects are being developed into a brownfield project where we need to redo the complete multimodal planning, which is at the ground level, where all the transportation needs to be designed and integrated with the station. So before considering the design of station, the multimodal integration planning has to be considered simultaneously in parallel so that both station design and the infrastructure design or the ground traffic design can be integrated with the main building. So the design becomes efficient and feasible till the end. Because in most of the current state of Mumbai, some stations where I'm handling certain multimodal integration where the station design is being done. But multimodal designing is going at a slow pace behind that, so we have to integrate with the station design. Sometimes it's not feasible because the ground reality, the ground planning is fixed in Mumbai. Most of the things cannot be changed because of the station, so we have to uh, revise new methods how to get into the integrity of the station. And second point comes to station where there is an interchange station. As what Sir Ratanji said, that the integration stations where the interchange stations are there, which can be planned in such a way that it can be used as a commercial hub. There are two, three types of interchange stations where the two lines are intersecting or three lines are intersecting, which can be developed at two or three levels, which can be a powerful interchange station. Similar interchange station can be designed making it a F&B and commercial center, which can be a bigger stoppage point for the commuters every day because they are traveling a longer distances of 1 hour. So they need a waiting time at a particular interchange station. They can utilize the commercial hubs and they can move on. Some of the stations in Navi Mumbai, like Seawood Station, has been designed in certain fashion, but Seawood Station comes as not as an actual interchange. So the interchange happens in front, somewhere near Nehru. So such interchange station can be planned on the metro line, MRT line, which can be integrated with local train and other local infrastructure system, which can be feasible for the whole transit system being planned in the urban city. Another point of multimodal integration becomes that after the station, where the multimodal integration can be started earlier also considering the transit-oriented development, considering the location of population, how the local public transport is been functioning there, as well as what is the travel time for each individual to reach the station, depending upon the congested areas. How far is the station and how the local transits are being planned. So stations of LRT or light rail transit can be planned in such a way that the commuting time to each person traveling should be in a radius of 10 minutes of radius where he can take a transit oriented services. Coming to the railway stations are considered to be completely, mostly 90% of railway station comes under brownfield because most of the infrastructure of railways are later in the whole country, unless and until there is a new line of railway being done. Because what we envisaged that when we were doing convey station, that most of the part of the convey station railway lines have been put into the was already existing and some new lines was being planned there. So considering those lines, we had to plan it out, the integrated master plan for the same. This is the new Panvel. This is the new Panvel side. This is the old Panvel side, and the central line. So basically, existing station was here, and we had to plan all this development around to cater to the population which was coming till 2045 for the Navi Mumbai further development or mega development. So Panvel station was designed in the same lines where it will be integrated with the existing proposed metro line which is coming closer to it, as well as the line from Karjat Panvel, Karjat Panvel, then Panvel fast track to VT and Panvel Goa. So this line was integrated here. Plus, further planning was done to integrate with the airport line also. This place was supposed to be developed as the complete commercial hub for the terminus. If you could see, this was the proposed New Panvel side with the commercial center on this side, the commercial center this side, and the central interchange point with the landscape area where the CST lines comes and stop and the Kanchit line starts from here. So this was a complete break for decentralized center from CST station. Further to the development of this, we went into more further development of the New Panvel side of development. The issues which we envisaged there was the different authorities working over there. This is the type of circulation which we propose in the lines of multimodal for Panvel station, where the station building was here. And these are all different transit systems which come in here, public bus stop, the private vehicles coming inside the station building. There was the station building here, and the upper deck was proposed to park the vehicles on top, and the vehicle circulation plan to take it out, and the drop and pickup drop point over here. This was the envisaged 3D for the station design. This was the new Panvel side which has been developed with station building here and the commercial hub here. This place gives approximate area of 40 lakh square feet within the limits of FSI. So this is a very high revenue generator for the railway development authorities. Is the internal space of station building. Basically, the quality of space and the station design has been proposed like this. That what I have in mind, that the train system or the railway system of India caters to a lot of huge amount of population, and the comfort level they seek that it should be maximum, because as far as now the railway system has not been able to provide this kind of comfort system just like airports or metros, because we still have a congested trains and we don't have that quality of stations which is required, which internationally, which I have seen it, because we have the same standard which has been used like 20 years before. And if you are maybe being an architect, if you are proposing some new standard, it has to go through a very big research and development and come back as an approved sanction approval, so that we implement that. And by the time we come to the implementation, the project tenure is over. So similarly, we have proposed for Thane station. Similar elements here, this is the Thane railway station where we are proposing. In Thane station's case, we are uh, getting into the residential development for improvising and putting certain elements there, which we plan to make it completely platinum rated station. For that, we have put it for the research R&D team of railways, which will be they will be considering that it should go for platinum and completely green building. It should be able to generate complete solar power station in Mumbai. This is partly greenfield project. Coming to MMRDA projects, we have uh, regarding the station. This, if you see the slides here, this is the current condition of the station of all the metro stations where multimodal planning is yet to be done. So the stations have been built, everything has been done, but below the stations and around the station there is still an encroachment, and all the utility services and everything is still lying pending. So we have given a design proposal to MMRD and we've been working on that. How this place can be envisaged and created into a quality space below the station. So this multimodal integration or multimodal design inputs in this case are coming after the metro station has been developed. But my point was to get this designing done simultaneously at the time of the station implementation, or parallelly done with when the station is being designed and executed. At the same time, the multimodal planning should be also done, or it should be priorly started and the station inputs can be done there.